So this is the volume of the Canon R6 Mark II, the natural audio without the mic input. Is my voice loud? I'm under the shade. So we are at Riverine Central Medical Center. The signboard here, right here. And this place is also called Riverside, Riverside. I'm using the Canon ROF 50mm f1.8 STM. Testing. Is my voice loud? Audio, the natural sound from the camera. This is handheld vlog also. Okay, now let me put the external mic and see the differences. Yeah, now this is the external mic input of the camera, Canon R6 Mark II. Testing the external mic. Here we are the Riverine Medical Center. That's the signboard here. The white signboard right there. And this place is also called Riverside. So yeah, all the differences. Doing the comparison of the inbuilt mic versus the external mic, the Rode mic, Rode Wireless Go, yeah. This mic here. So I'm supposed to get higher sound from this external mic compared to the normal original sound from the camera. In the river here, Riverside. This river or stream or dam. So yeah, I'm using the Canon ROF 50mm 1.8 STM, Nifty 50, the nickname, and I'm using my free hand vlog, without any stand, any tripod. All the difference, which one is much more higher? The natural, the inbuilt mic or the external mic? Yeah. This is the test. Testing.